Hi, we're from Sheartak Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we'll be giving a tutorial for upgrading a Black & Decker 90mm jointer with spiral cutter head from Sheartak Tools. This spiral cutter head has 16 carbide inserts on 4 spirals. It dramatically reduces noise, increases machine lifetime, and produces a smoother finish with no tear out. First, remove the side panel. Then take off the belt. Remove the 3 screws on the cutter head cover. The clip is not shown here since the screws are damaged in our machine, and we had to use a different approach that is probably not needed for you. Flip the jointer to the other side. Unscrew and remove the cutter head plate. Hammer the cutter head out. Remove the pulley. Hammer the cutter head out. If the other bearing is still stuck in the jointer, hammer the other bearing out. Now you're ready to install your new cutter head. Hammer the bearing in. Hammer the plate in. Screw in the pulley. Hammer the other bearing in. Slide your cutter head into the jointer, then hammer to secure it. Attach the plate. Flip the machine over and attach the pulley belt. Attach 3 screws to the cutter block plate. And finally, attach the cover. Now your machine is ready for use. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for the Black & Decker 90mm jointer. If you need any assistance or replacement parts, be sure to check out Sheartak's website at www.sheartak.com or send us an email sales@sheartak.com for woodworking supplies and more.